Hey YouTube, Brandon from RC Flyer here, going to take up the UMX Conscendo. Long time, haven't flown one of my favorite UMX planes. Let her get up in the air and have some fun. And we're off. I got zero throttle right now, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, this is definitely one of my favorite UMX planes. Look, full throttle. And it just glides. Horizon Hobby just came out with a new large one with the landing gear that I want to check out eventually. Maybe this fall, get one. But yeah, does anything. Throw it up in the air. Floats for days, guys. And I'm just keeping it close. Full pass. We go slow. You can fly inverted. This is a super fun plane. In the comments section, guys, let me know what you think of this plane. Super fun, just you can fly for over 10 minutes on a battery just because it is a glider. And you don't have to do much. Just like this.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
All you have to do is get it all the way up to the sky and then throw the throttle. Shut the throttle off and have some fun. Super fun. I do have flapper-ons too. I really don't use them, but I did set them up. Come in for a nice landing. Let's do that again. I want to do it right in front of you guys. See if I can get it.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Right in front. And there it is. Again, if you like what you see, guys, hit that like and subscribe button. Until the next one, thanks for watching.
Feels like it's a start.